Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Pretty Little Thing Beauty Advent Calendar for 2024. I'm so excited. This one is so cute. Just open it up so you can see. This is how it looks inside. It's a little bit hard because all of the boxes want to fall out, but anyway, let's just get into it. I'm going to get a few boxes out and then I'm going to move them to the side so that I can move this out of the way because I don't have enough room. Okay, so starting off with day number 1, the boxes are so cute. This feels almost empty. Cute, it's all wrapped up in paper. Oh yay, I'm excited about this. So for the first day we have the Peaches and Cream Hotline Lip Liner, and I really like Peaches and Cream lip liners. Some of my favourite lip liners are from them, so that's really exciting. And this looks like a really nice shade, so off to a good start. I'm pretty sure this is full size. It looks full size, so. Day 2, this one feels heavier. Cute, so this is from Bondi Sands. This is the Hydra UV Protect SPF 50 Very High Protection. So that's exciting, a little sunscreen. And this looks to be quite a nice size as well. So yeah, that's exciting. That is it there. Day 3. I'm actually not mad about this. I feel like normally I'd be but actually you can never have enough tweezers, and these look really nice. These are pretty little thing, 3 lots of tweezers. It says it's by Forever Beautiful, but these look like quite nice ones. There's 3 different styles in here. They're quite heavy and weighty, so I feel like those are quite nice. They look good quality, so love that. This is from Star Skin VIP, the Gold Mask Eye. Revitalizing luxury gold foil eye masks. Cute. I actually do quite like eye masks, I won't lie, and I feel like my under eye bags are kind of so I'm not mad about that. I feel like they feel really nice as well, so I'm excited for those. Any sheet, if I was going to get any sheet mask, the one that I would want is an eye mask. So then we have day 5. Cute. We've got a little headband. It says Sunkissed on it, so I don't know if that's a brand or what. I won't lie, I feel like this is kind of cute. Normally my head's too big for these things, but this one feels quite stretchy and it looks quite nice. I don't know if I would take the time to put it on, but it's kind of a vibe. I kind of like it. It's cute. I like the colour. Normally I'm not really a pink girl, but that's cute. It's really soft and fluffy as well. So that was day 5. Day 6. Oh yay, this is from Mermaid Hair. It's called the Hold It Right There, Your Hype Girl in Wax Form Hair Styling Wax Stick. Cute. So I'm guessing you just go like that to get rid of your little flyaways. Oh my god, I've got fluff in my hair from that thing. So I feel like I'm happy to try. I'm excited to try that out. I tried out the slick stick and it just did not work. I don't know if I wasn't using it right or what, but I didn't seem to get along with it. So I feel like I'm interested to try this and see if this works a little bit better. So that was day 6. Day 7, got a little sponge by Pink Honey. It's called the Flutter Baby Sponge. Cute. And once again, I feel like normally I'd be but I have just been doing all my Halloween looks, and I'm not gonna lie, I've kind of ruined quite a few of my sponges with face paint and stuff, so I'm in need of a new sponge. That's real cute. It's an odd shape, but I'm excited to try that out. Day 8. Get Boosted Double Side Body Tape. Cute. Okay, so I've got some little body tape here. So I'm guessing this is, kind of to hold your clothes and whatever, whatever you need it for. Probably not something that I would use personally, but I feel like I can understand why it's in here. It's a nice sentiment. Just looks like that. So yeah, cute. Day 9. This is from Brushworks. These are the microfiber wrist wash bands. So these are the things you put on your wrist, so when you're washing your face you don't get water running down and stuff. I feel like it's a nice idea and I do really like it. I just feel like I'm too lazy. I just know myself, I'm not gonna pop my little wristbands on before I wash my face. I'm just not. So I like that these are in here. I feel like they're cool and definitely useful, but I just know me. I just know that I'm not going to use them because I'm a lazy gal, and normally when I'm washing my face it's been after a long day of filming. I just want to get that off my face as quick as possible. So day 10. This is from WB Co, I think. This is the original brow soap, soap brows with bamboo spoolie. Cute. So yeah, I just have a little thing here. It's just like a little wax. So yeah, that's just it there. I've never heard of that brand. But yeah, I've obviously heard of like soap brows. I never really got super into the trend. My eyebrow are quite long, so when I brush them up, they just look a little bit silly. But yeah, that's nice. That's exciting. Day 11 is quite a big one. Oh yay, this is also from Brushworks. This is the same brand that little wristlet things were from. These are some triangular powder puff duos. Once again, I feel like normally I'd be like, but I've been doing my Halloween makeup, so I'm in need of some of these new powder puffs, and I actually quite like them. I've got some from Glam Raider at the moment, and I actually really like them, so I'm excited to have some new ones, because mine have face paint and eyeshadow and everything like that all over them at the moment. Day 12. Oh, we have a Carmex. This is Peach Mango, yum! So it's like a moisturising lip balm. Can never go wrong with little Carmex. Like, I feel like, you know, Peach Mango, that sounds really nice. Esther's crying, I don't know why. She probably wants more treats. Esther is my cat, and she's obsessed with these little treat things that we get her. She acts like she hasn't been fed for days when she literally has a bowl of food at all times, but she just loves these treats. She's so obsessed with them. Day 13. This is from Project Lip Buff. Smooth and Scrub and smooth. Cute. So what is it? Like a little... Must be like a little, like lip scrub, but like in like a tube. It says, scrub and buff onto lips in circular motions. Rinse with warm water to... I feel like there's an error in here, because it says rinse with warm water 4. Super soft, smooth and plump lips. Cute. Never heard of that brand, so that's exciting. So that's how it looks there. The packaging is quite cute. I wish I had like a scent or something, so I wonder if it smells like... Let's have a little... Not really, like maybe subtly, but yeah. Anyway, cute. Okay, day 14. This one. Eyelash curler. This is one that I'm a bit like, meh. I don't love it. But in saying that, other people might enjoy them, but eyelash curler, not for me. Day 15. Got some hair clips. Once again, these aren't for me. They're cute though. They're like pink ones. Pink little glittery ones. And they just say pretty little thing on them. Day 16 is next. This is the Plumper Volumizing Lip Oil. It says up to 4 hours of increased lip volume. I feel like I saw one of these last year. I feel like we got something like this. So yeah, it's just like a little like lip plumper. I don't think it's got like a shade or anything. I think it's literally just like a lip plumper, because when you take the lid off, like, yeah. Day 17. Okay, we've got Land of Lashes, Foam Ink Lashes, Nude Lash. Is that the style? Nude Lash maybe? I think it must be. Unfortunately, these don't look very nice. These look like the plasticky kind of lashes. I just don't love those lashes. Like you can like just tell that they're fake, and yeah, they're not my favorite like type of lash. But anyway, day 18 is next. We have some more lashes. These are from... I feel like it's weird to have like 2 sets of lashes in like one after the other. But anyway, these are from Oh My Lash, and these are Obsessed, I think they're called. It says natural and half lash, 100% foam ink. So these ones are like... I actually quite like the packaging of these. Like I feel like that's really cute. But you can see that, yeah, these ones are quite like small. Like they're obviously like a half lash. And yeah, they're okay. I like these more than the pair that I showed you before, but still probably not for me. I like a full lash, so yeah, I think the packaging of this is really cute. Okay, we have day 19 next. These are Invisibubble scrunchies. I don't want to be rude, but these are probably the ugliest scrunchies I've ever seen, and I feel bad saying that because I know everyone has different tastes, but girl, these look like they're made out of like old socks or something. We got some scrunchies in, I think, the Revolve and also the ASOS calendar, but these are just... Am I wrong in saying that those are the ugliest scrunchies you've ever seen? Apparently it's from the Mystica collection, but oh, I just don't think I'd ever wear them. I'm sorry. Like, I understand scrunchies if they're like, you know, like neutral colours, but I don't know. I just don't love them. Anyway, day 20, we have a NYX Butter Gloss, and it's actually so funny because I'm actually wearing this shade right now. This is in Sugar Glass, and I don't actually really like this lip gloss, but obviously I've already got it. But yeah, it's just a clear one. But yeah, this is a really nice formula, and it looks really, really nice on the lips. Makes them look super healthy. So 21, this one's heavy. Okay, we have the Tanologist Insta Glow Illuminating Face Bronzer with hyaluronic acid, squalene, and niacinamide for a radiant bronze glow. Cute. So I'm guessing you just like... It says our derm-tested gel facial bronzer combines skincare, actives, squalene, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid to brighten, hydrate, reduce the appearance of redness. This ultra lightweight gel blends seamlessly into skin, giving you a best skin day instantly. Apply directly to face, blending in sweeping motions using Tanologist blending brush or hands. Wear alone or as a last step of your skincare routine before makeup. Cute. So I'm guessing it's like a bronzy kind of primary thing. Anyway, that's how it looks there. It's quite cool. I'm actually quite excited about that one. I feel like I do want to give that a go. I don't wear makeup on the daily, so I'm kind of after a product that I can just slap on really quick and it makes me look a bit more alive, you know? Okay, we're on to our last couple of days. We have day 22. This is Saint Tropez Self Tan. It's weird, they keep doing that, like putting like similar products together. Self Tan Purity Vitamins Bronzing Water Serum. What? Doesn't say how to use it, so I'm gonna have to search that up. Self Tan. It's like tiny though, so I'm wondering if it's for your face. I don't know. Anyway, that's how it looks there. It's interesting. I'll have to search up and find out how you use it. 23 is our second last day. This is another thing from Project Lip. Plump and Fill in the shade Play. Another like lip plumpery thing. That's how it looks there. And then for the last day of the Pretty Little Thing advent calendar. Girl, what? I feel like there's so many other products that could have been put here. It's like a clear, but it's not even a cute one. I mean, other people might disagree, but I feel like for your last day, a clip? Okay. I feel like you can probably tell by my vibe what I'm thinking, but let's just recap. Okay, so this is $165 Australian. Apparently it's worth £195. I think that's the right thing. I don't know if I'm saying it right. It says, treat yourself this Christmas season with Pretty Little Thing advent calendar. This advent calendar has an array of must-have beauty products you just don't want to miss out on. Whether you gift to a loved one or keep it as a treat for yourself, get ready, countdown to Christmas the right way with Pretty Little Things 2024 advent calendar. What are you waiting for? You won't be able to resist. I don't think that this one's that great, unfortunately. So this is $165. So if you spend like $30 more and buy the $40 more and buy the ASOS one, I think that one's way better. Like I think that this one, there's a lot of filler products. Like I feel like, you know, for me, like I said, I'm excited about the tweezers and the beauty sponge and the little what do you call it, like the little triangle powder puffy things, but like I can see why people wouldn't be. I feel like there's a lot of filler items. I don't know, there's nothing in this calendar that stands out to me that I'm like so excited for. Like I just feel like it's a little bit basic and like a bit meh. I feel like it'd be good for maybe someone a little bit younger, someone who's maybe just getting into makeup or something like that. But yeah, I think unfortunately for me, I don't really recommend this one. But let me know down below what you guys think. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next video. Bye!